Pilipinas, Palace reaction on the endorsement made by the INC to the tandem of Bongbong Marcos and Sara Duterte. How does Palace view this as far as chances of making it in the coming polls?
We thank the Iglesia ni Cristo for endorsing Davao City Mayor Inday Sara Duterte. As to INC's endorsement of former Senator Marcos, we believe his spokesman had already issued a statement.
Thank you, Secretary Martin. Yung second question po ni Alvin ay natanong na ni Mela Les Moras about the next PNP chief from Karen Davila. What are the preparations for the transition of power to the next administration?
The Office of the President created a transition committee chaired by Executive Secretary Bingbong Medialdea to prepare and implement the Office of the President transition plan. Karen.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.